that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
Black girl, if you a 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 black girl, do your thing, do your.
Hey Queens and Kings, happy Friday. Listen, when I tell y'all, it's a lot going on right now. I'm trying to get house in order. I have not been right since the hurricane. As in, baby, to stay focused, stay on track, and then, you know, other things had occurred too as well. So it pretty much pushed me off my rocker. And it's just like, this is the first time that the first weekend that I'm able to just pretty much go ahead and attack stuff that I want to do. But, hey, I digress. Anyways, where's my manners? This is the first vlog, and I don't know where this vlog is going. I just know I'm just picking up the camera and just bringing you guys along. Because yesterday, I basically put this high-ass bed on here, and I'm regretting it. The thingamajig, what the thing called? What the thing called, girl? The rail, the bed frame or whatever, it's too high. I ended up hitting 18, thinking that I had a 16 or a 14 because I didn't measure. I was like, oh, okay, this is not gonna be high. Oh, this smells like high as hell. But anyway, where's my manners? Welcome back, Queens and Kings. Hello, my name is Valerie. Over here, we do all things home decor, lifestyle vlogs, and a little dibba-dabba in bougie luxury. And bougie luxury is basically replicas, unboxing, reviews. But yeah. See what I'm doing? I'm cleaning the bathroom. I'm washing. Speaking of washing, I need to go take them clothes out of the washer, put them in the dryer. I really want to change the living room. Not the living room. Well, I do want to change the living room, but I want to change the bedroom. I really want to change the bedroom around. I wonder how it would look with the bed on that wall since I can't put it in front of the window. Who the hell gonna help me do all that? See, this mind be going, girl, and then it's not gonna stop until I physically do it. So I have to figure something out what I'm gonna do. But right now I'm cleaning the bathroom. I want to change that up. I'm taking the brown out. Yes, I'm taking the brown out. I need some change. I need a different color. I thought about putting the purple back in here. I even thought about doing the little geometric little thing back on the wall over there. I did like that, but y'all know I like changing things. So now I gotta figure out what the hell I'm gonna do. I don't know. I do know I want to take the brown down though. I want to change the colors, and I'm thinking about putting this color in here because I have not really had this color in my house. I think I had it once, but not that much. It's more like a goldish yellow. Let me show y'all this color right here. So I'm thinking about doing that, which I know I could pretty much put it with the brown, but I don't want to do the brown. I want to put the brown back in the front room, honestly. And that's another thing, because I'm putting green in there. Maybe the brown and green will look good. I don't know. I'm gonna have to just test it out and see, because that brown is going back in the front room, and we're gonna have to see what we're gonna do. The only thing is now is what curtains I'm gonna put up there. I don't know.
Like 1, 2, 3. Damn, y'all feel it? Oh. Like 1, 2, 3. The world keeps turning. Oh, what a day. What a day, what a day. But then I know something, knows that he knows nothing at all. Should it seem colder in your summertime and hotter in your fall? If we were made in his midst and call us by our name.
Hey, Queens and Keys. Y'all, it's the next day. Oh, I ain't no good. Because I was planning on, like, do the bathroom with you all. I ain't no good. So, I'm just giving you guys an update what I have done in the bathroom. Some things that I need to still do in the bathroom as well. So, Okay, y'all look. Let me just show you what I did. Let me show you what I did, because I made some changes too to some other stuff too as well. And I'm gonna just show y'all. All right, so first change is pretty much over here. You see I put this over here. So the purple color that I was going with, like the yellow goldish color that I showed you guys, I'm not going with that because it's some fat. I'm gonna have to buy more things. And I was like, no. And the only thing I had was just like towels at that point. I was like, no, we're just gonna use what we got. So I basically went back to my purple. Of course, y'all know that's one of my favorite colors. But anywho, so I decided to put this picture here over here. You guys see that it's gold now. I don't know. I still just may keep it gold just to bring a little pop of gold somewhere around up in this room. I don't know. Still playing around with it, but I'm gonna leave it there. But let me tell you about y'all little favorite little nephew. So he see me putting the picture up there, and he was like, "Mom, make sure you put it up there good because you don't want it to fall like the other one." Oh, I wish he could stay at my business. I wish that boy could stay at my business. He don't forget nothing. Oh my God. But anyway, so I changed out the bus, kept the greenery. I think the greenery was up there, and I put the towel. I just mixed and matched it or changed it around. So I'm just to give a different look and stuff like that. Nothing extravaganza. Nothing like that. And also just to pull some of the black and purple over here in this area here. So I have a little collages of stuff sitting up there, you know, candle bottles, you know, candles and stuff like that. But yeah, and I still have not changed these shelves out. I'm gonna get to it, yeah. I'm gonna get to it. When I don't even know, child. Just don't hold me to it. Don't hold me to it. Down here, taller area, nothing different besides just me putting that on top of there, because that's gonna be the flush wipes or whatever. And that is that. That's all I did. Now I did go with the black curtains. I don't know if I'm still gonna keep the black curtains in here, but I do like the way here look with the black. It just give looks with the black. It just give looks to me. So yeah. In the closet, one of you all gonna have to come help me because the closet is a hot mess, I also went back with my mats here. I like these mats, but I don't like the mats because, as you all see, it's not bright white like it was no more. After I washed them, and I just washed them by themselves, and it pretty much bled and stuff like that. So it's like giving like a little grayish on it. But we're just gonna have to deal with them for right now. We're gonna have to deal with them for now. That's it. I need to put the knobs back onto the vanity. That's that. And the vanity area, this is pretty much how it looks now. Now, only thing I have not done, because I told you guys I want to put the little tape and stuff back on the wall. I probably do that this weekend or so. I don't know. I mean, this week, I mean to say, I don't know. But I like it, so I think I really am going to do it. I just got to push myself to go ahead and do it. So anyways, I put this big old vase here to bring some of that pop of purple. Like I said, pull it from this side behind me to over here just to balance it off and stuff like that. Excuse me. And I brought out my little trays and stuff and brought some greenery just to put some life still up in here. Now, right here, you guys know I had a tower there. I took that down just because it became an eyesore for me. And I feel like it was going to compete with this flower here. And I didn't want it to do that. I do have another canvas like the one that I have behind me. That one there. I thought about putting that one there, but it's more flowers and I didn't want it to compete with that. So I was like, no, I'm just leave it like it is and just do the tape thing again on the background. And on top of my vanity, if you see any type of bling, most like this came from probably Home Goods or Ross or something like this. But these little set here, the toothbrush holder sets and stuff, those came from Home Goods. I had them for probably about 3 or 4 years now, could have. And I decided to just bring some towels over here, just like drying towels, but they just for decorations. Just for decoration. That's it. But I know I'm going to have to tell Andre that because he's going to be the one that do it. But yeah, just pull some of the black over here. But that's pretty much what I have done, y'all. Oh, let me tell you. You remember my tray that I did, my bath tray? I just broke it. I just broke it probably about 20 minutes ago, trying to put down my towel mat and pulled it out too far and it hit the doggone inside of the tub. So yeah, so that's why you got little bath bombs and stuff, all that just sitting over there. I could have cried. So I don't know if I'm gonna make another one or I'm just gonna buy one at this point, because I don't like that. I don't like that. And if you ain't seen the video on it, go check out my DIY channel. I'll link it down below. But yeah, this is the bathroom, how it all looks and everything. So yeah, I still like it though. I like it. I like it. All right, queens and kings. So this portion of the video is in a collaboration with YITAHOME, which you guys know I have worked with YITAHOME several times with a bed, end tables, pretty much as you guys see here, dresser. There are so many other things that I have worked with this company with, which I truly stand by. They have a fast delivery. They have different varieties. Everything is on their website. It's affordable, because you guys know I'm not bringing you nothing affordable, because you guys know how I am when it comes down to my little pockets. But this here part of the video here is, like I said, is collaboration with them, and we're going to be actually unboxing some end tables, which I'm not going to use them for end tables. I'm going to use them for something else, which you guys will see later in the video. Now, it was very easy to put together. The instruction was very self-explanatory. You really didn't need instruction, because a lot of the stuff was labeled as in alphabetical order or something like that. I think that's what it was. But you could just look at it and see what piece go with what piece and just size it up. If it doesn't fit, you know, it's got to be something else. But they came with the screws, they came with the Allen key, and all the parts. At first, when I unboxed this, I was like, wait a minute, I thought it was supposed to be 2. Then that's when I realized there was 2, but they're a little smaller than what I actually thought they was going to be. So that's what gave me the idea of basically going to use them for something else other than what I am using them for, well, other than what they're intentionally used for. So you guys know how I like to do. It may be need to be for this, but that don't mean I'm going to use it for that. This little mind be going and going and going, so I have to try things out. And pretty much I'm going to use today's in my bathroom. I just showed you guys how the bathroom looks, so I'm going to add a little something more spruce into the bathroom using these end tables. So please continue to watch. Now, all links and everything is down below. Check them out, because like I said, I do stand by with this company. I have collaborated with this company several times, and I look forward to collaborating with this company again in the future. So shout out to YITAHOME once again for collaborating with me. I truly appreciate it.
Every second, every minute, man, every second, every minute, man, every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it, man, I swear that she can get it. Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can every second.
You lost without me. All my bitches feel like I died. So county fucking with you feel like jail, nigga. I can't even exhale, nigga. Pussy like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me need bail, you know that. Caught you with your friend, you ain't even have me like you know that. Got me a bag for the brick, you know that. Control them slow the pace if I throw back. All this ass for real. I'ma make you feel fantasy weird, but it's alright.
All right, queens and kings. So this is pretty much how I actually style the tables that came from YITAHOME. You guys know I have worked with them several times, like I said before. So they're a pretty good company. I actually do recommend them. Their stuff is very stable, reasonable, affordable. And y'all already know. Y'all already know. I'm a little cheap when it comes down to certain things. But other than me using them for end tables, I wanted to use them for a shelf over here in the bathroom just to see how this would look. Probably later on down the line I use for end tables because they are actually small size that can pretty be used in any area. You know, it does not take up any space. They are metal, but they do have like this faux wooden top on it, as well as the insert, as you all can see, those three shelves there. Pretty easy and simple to put together, no hard time at all. Like, it's just pretty much kind of self-explanatory. You know, you didn't really need the instructions to put this together. But I went with this route here of styling. I went with this route here because of the simple fact it pretty much take up that space that was pretty much up here, other than compared to being down there. So I just put this one back down here and just left that one up there. So I don't know, I'll play around with a little bit more, you know, things like that, just to give me the look and function, because I really don't be like for my countertop to be full. It just really irritates me. Like, I have a lot of little trinkets and stuff, as you all see, I pretty much filled it up with, but I can't stand for it to be on the countertop, the vanity. So that really bothers me. So this came in clutch and took up some of the space, or took up some of the little trinkets that I do have. So y'all, you like these end tables, check them out. You know, they're versatile, as you all can see. You can use them as end tables, or you can use it as some shelves, or whatever the case may be. So check them on out, y'all. Check them out, check them out, check them out. You guys know I don't work with YITAHOME once again several times. So yeah, well, that's gonna be it, queens and kings, for this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you all did, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the links and everything down below. And shout out to YITAHOME once again for collaborating with me, because you know your queen over here enjoy anytime we do a collaboration. I appreciate you guys. So with that being said, queens and kings, you guys continue to be royal, and remember, your crown may tilt, but a damn show won't fall. Bye bye.